Let me see.
It doesn't have wheels, it's not interesting.
Oh, that's cute.
What's that?
6 boy is that one.
Short this.
He says short this.
What's that?
Spider-Man.
What's that?
Arian, excuse.
Go sit on your mommy's lap.
Arian.
Arian, sit down on the floor. Sit on the floor so you
Arian.
can see.
Arian.
Sit down, Arian.
I can't see.
Sit down, Arian. We
That's
can't
where
see.
You and Mama make that.
Have her sit down on the floor right there, too.
You and Mama can
Arian,
make
sit
that.
down.
Arian. Shut.
No, you.
It's a girl chart. Which is decorating. Look at Bender Rules. Oh, here, look. Here, open your card. The card. He's a la carte.
Open it.
It says, hey, great grandson. Ready, set, go. Look. It's a puppy. It says, full speed ahead for a happy birthday. Have fun. Love you. Happy 3rd birthday, our special great grandson. We love you so, so very much. XOXOXO. Grandma Cindy and Grandpa Jay. No, you gotta wait. Grandpa Jay.
Say thank you.
Let's put him back in here for now, okay?
This part's fun.
And then you got, look it, you got some more. Who is? Jay? Okay, open the other ones. Look at what's on that one.
Oh, God bless you.
Okay, open the other one too. You got 3 more
Thank
to
you.
open. Yeah, let's see what's in that one. Let's see.
Let's excited to put the tissues.
Save them. They go, yes. You guys gave this to him?
Yes.
Aww. You got a Game Boy.
Oh, say thank you.
How cute.
Look.
Oh, my
He's always
gosh.
a deal now. He spent all day in those games. All day.
Oh, cool.
We just have to go get him a charger.
They gave Anthony the other one. So.
Yeah, Isaac gave him mine. Without my
Isaac
permission.
gave him yours.
Yeah.
Who's
So Lenny
Anthony?
gave him
So,
mine.
you can have it.
Who's
He said you
Anthony?
could have it. And so I was all excited.
My Uncle Leon.
And then Levy goes, I thought he was being generous. He goes, that was mine. He was generous with Levy's stuff.
How generous of you.
Yeah, you gotta charge it.
No, it's good. You can turn it on.
Oh, let's see.
Put a game in there.
Well, let's do these ones first.
Yeah, open the other present.
Yeah, open the other ones.
These are your games.
That card.
I got
There's a card on the
Pringles,
table.
Little Two,
My grandma's.
Let's say those. Are those things are all full, right?
Oops.
This is